Ты куда, блядь?
Эх, ебать так.
Oh, that's a giant plane right there. Oh boy.
Can you imagine being in that bus and seeing just a plane fall?
The most amazing thing about this is there's a microphone on that camera for the dash cam. You could hear ambient sound. Would this guy have no tongue or vocal cords? How do you not go, holy shit?
He didn't make a sound.
Not a peep out of the guy in the vehicle. It's in Afghanistan.
Wow.
Afghanistan. There's a 747 cargo plane, and it was taken off. And apparently they've figured out that the load of the cargo wasn't secured good enough, and as he took off, it all slid to the back, and it just it made the plane point straight up, and then it kind of just winged over and hit the ground, and kaboom-o.
So it wasn't a mechanical failure. Wow.
Yeah, somebody
again, Travis,
somebody screwed the old pooch, as they say. Oh, God.
How scary is that?
Oh, you know
it wasn't even that high. I mean,
no. High enough when you're dropping a 747.
Yeah, it's amazing. 747 doesn't have to fall far.
No. And very close to these vehicles, really. You know, it's like right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's great footage. All right, with the please subscribe me things people put in the YouTube videos.
Please subscribe me.
I hate this shit in the corner. Go to our site and stream quicker. No. I'm here. Install our browser. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
I can't stand when you go to install something and there's check marks. You got to uncheck.
天哪！